Alrighty. Do a little sound check here. Boy, folks, we have to do a little sound check here first here. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing. Yeah, I'm speaking soft. I'm not in the yelling mood. Speaking soft. Testing 1 2, speaking softly speaking. 1 2. Alrighty. Big news, folks. Tomorrow. What time is it? It could be. Alright, so like tomorrow. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. That's 7 a.m. Central. 6 a.m. Mountain Standard. 4 p.m. Uzbekistan Standard on Saturday. Just kidding. Friday. Justin Sun, man. We're going to have Justin Sun on the channel live. Hopefully. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Be there or be square. I don't want to, don't give me shit if I'm brown nosing a little bit. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be a brown nose. And, man, obviously me and my brother have been talking about, questions to ask, things to talk about. And, man, I've done a lot of thinking today. I was actually listening to a couple different, Twitter spaces, actually. I was in a couple little Twitter spaces, listening to these Web3 nerds, and I'm a nerd too, so I'm not saying I'm not a nerd, talking about Bitcoin and shitcoins and currency. And there's a couple people, you ever hear people say that they think Bitcoin's going to be a world reserve currency, right? Well, it's gonna be world reserve currency. And boy, I tell you what, it's funny to me. Actually, Bitcoin's design is flawed for a currency. A currency needs to be able to have production of more of it. And I don't know how there would be, oh, there's so many reasons I could fire off, but I'm practicing with you guys. You know, let me ask you this. What company in crypto do you know that is paying everyone out, paying everyone in Bitcoin, and paying them damn fees? Same with Ethereum. No. In my opinion, Tron, and it's not even opinion, it's fact. Tron has been a way better performer and used way more as a currency, not a store of value. I don't believe Bitcoin's white paper was supposed to be a store of value. I don't know how Bitcoin would be a world reserve currency when it's so slow as hell, costs so damn much. I mean, I don't know how anyone could think that. But anyways, hope everyone's doing okay. Entered a little long here. Thumbnail might be a little bit of clickbait. We got a little hoorah here, a little hoorah here. It would be nice if we came up, although I might take profits on this. It's kind of at a top here. I'm not necessarily expecting anything, you know. You know, it's like, you know, this is where two accounts comes into play. And I am long to 18,000 or close. 17.8 is kind of a number that's been sticking to me. This trade necessarily, I don't know. I'm sitting here thinking, but streaming because you know, we're chilling and we got a big day tomorrow morning. And I want to lay a couple things straight. Never mind. No, I don't. Having trouble reading signs of market cipher without missing the move. Any advice? What are you looking at, Josh? What coin? Or not coin, I'm sorry. I'm such an asshole. What are you looking at? Could be a stock, could be Forex, or is it crypto? Is it a coin? And I'll tell you, man, it ain't necessarily, if you're just trading, I'll wait for your answer. I don't know what you're trading, but if it's crypto ain't easy, man. Crypto's the hardest thing to trade, and there's not always something clear and confident there. But I'm interested to hear your answer, Josh. Typically ETH. How long have you had Market Cipher for? I know for me, really, it's been larger time frames for crypto. It hasn't been as much, like the environment changes, like last year, man, we were in and out. Shoot, I would do 3 or 4 trades in one day. Right now, it's like I'm in a trade, and to be honest, it goes over multiple days. And so, my guess is maybe that could have something to do with it. I'm just guessing. I haven't talked to you and kind of dove in on you. Been scalping OP on Tiny Time Markets. I've been awesome. OP, what's OP? Ocean Pal Inc. Okay, I'm guessing it's OPUSDT. Okay, I guess OP's a crypto. Optimism. I've never heard of this before. Anywho, overall, I'm still bearish come January, but I will say that we do have the nice little weekly VWAP wave crossing over. It's at least worth a week or two, of something. We can at least get something. And then boom, right here's the new year. Which, you draw this out. Boom, let's say it makes another little stream, and then it goes back down again. We're at a lower low on the money flow. Not saying it couldn't be, but technically it could technically be a bottom if you're lucky. It's like boom, this is the bottom. Everything was up from there. Technically that could happen. But from here, the weekly crossing up. Momentum wave clipping right down here. Got the momentum wave clipping right here. 2 days, 23 hours, 3 days for confirmation on the weekly. I'm liking this little weekly. And the price is going to move. It's going to go up and down. But I'm thinking we can get a little something out of it still. And really, as far as like the way I'm trading, like I think the guy, your name was Josh in the chat. Scroll up here. Was it Josh that said you were having trouble? I'm trading right now. I'd say I'm trading off the larger time frames. But I also have, like, I'm entering the same trade for a long term and a short term. Same trade entered. But I'm taking profits on the short term account in the small moves. You know what I'm saying? So like we have backup on larger time frames, which is number one, the most important thing. And so, I mean, now you're diving in looking for the entries on the lower time frames, whatever time frame that might be, what, the 30-minute, the 6-hour, the 4-hour, the 15-minute. Overall, you have a little bit of backup. Money flow coming down. On which time frame? On this? Maybe, maybe not. Momentum slightly holding right here. Yes, spends a little time in the green, more in the red. She might still have a little bit to go here. Momentum formed a higher low here. VWAP came up a pretty good amount here. I think there's still chance at life. Again, we're pinching pennies. Pinching pennies here. On the 4-hour, we actually formed a higher high on the money flow. That's good. There was some wiki action here tonight. Wiki action. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, really, the answer is is this a trade that we're holding on for an 18,000, or is it one that we're scalping and taking profits? Meow. Meow or thou. ETH on the weekly. Same type of deal. Same type of deal. Little crossover. What happened the last crossover on the weekly? This one went up to 27%. Imagine it would be weaker than previous before. Even if this one did 13%, ETH to 14.2, that would be sick. I'd be happy. Falls long on ETH, did that. Support team's been kicking ass. Appreciate your donation, Crypto Arbitrage University. All donations go to mainly to charity. Thank you. And they appreciate it. They've been kicking ass. Love those guys. What were we just looking at? ETH on the weekly. Yeah, man. I'm digging this crossover. We got the momentum. Got the VWAP. I'm digging the weekly. I'm playing off the weekly, man. Playing off the weekly. Playing off the weekly. And we can dance if we want to. We can leave our friends behind if you have 2 accounts. At least. If you, I'm telling you, that's the way to relieve the mental stress. Is you have multiple trades for 2 different things. You want to be in for the long game so you're not exiting part of the trade and then having to inch yourself up, not losing that cushion. Because that sucks, right? Or if it can mentally fuck you up or not. Like, oh, I want to stay in, yada, 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 whatever. You're losing your cushion. But you have one that you keep the cushion and one that you trim. And dance, correct. Dance if you want to. And if this is an account that we're dancing if we want to, I would take some profit right now. Right now. Not saying I'm closed the whole trade. But I would certainly take some profits right now. Do we believe now is the time? That could actually break up higher. Or a time it breaks up over this resistance. If I looked at my DMs, I would have long. Bro, my DMs are filled with every day. That's the last place I'm looking for trading advice. Oh, well, welcome to everyone. There's always someone saying they told me so, no matter what's going on. No matter what happens, there's so many, that there's always gonna be someone that's like, I told you, man, I told you. There's always one that's right and 1,000 that are wrong. But good for you, brother. If you got in at 15.5 or whenever you're saying you did, good for you. Shit, bro, what are you talking about? I've been logging the past 2.5 weeks. Over doubled this account. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure we're over doubled in 2.5 or 3 weeks. Something about that 17.8. I'm telling you, there's something about that 17.8. If you're just joining us, folks, we have big news. Tomorrow, actually, 11 hours from now, whatever time it is, your time right now, in 11 hours, pretty much exactly, we're having Justin's son on the show live. Should be a fun conversation. Maybe we'll learn something, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, boy, it feels like it's well, I don't even know what day it is today. Feels like a Sunday. What's up, Billy? Chris? Robert? Billy? What you up to, brother? Are you long for the schlong at 17.8 for the 18? Are you nipping here? Are you dancing in between? Or are you both? Do you have a trade long? I know Billy always has at least 2 trades. Billy already knows this. Billy already knows that relieving that flip-flop and pressure of having one trade. I'm not saying you always have to. There's sometimes where you don't want to do the long game. You just want to play the short game, or you just want to play the long-term game. But in a situation like this, I want some of that long-term shit, and I want some of that dancing. Here I am in a friggin' short. Jerry or Gary, you might be all right, bro. The price goes up and down. I don't know what kind of short you're in. Mix it up, Luke, but Hike and Ashy, always look at them all. Look at them both. Hike and Ashies were created by the same Japanese bloodline that created standard candles. They use Hike and Ashy. Much prettier on the eyes, easier patterns to peg down. Man, I saw a clip of Billy Casper's Instagram picture. Holy shit, that guy is all natural. Looks like he's juicing. Billy Casper's the real Liver King. What a great man. Great young man. Self-educated. Preaches the good word of Jesus. He even does it in the native tongue. We should all try to be like Billy. I got a new chair, and you know, every Christmas I basically get the same. I get like one good ass gift and basically get it for everyone. This year it's chair. Sit in my chair often, and these gaming chairs are just they're a ripoff for the most part. Not saying my chair is bad, but furniture is a shady business as it is. But I'm investing in a real chair. Does anyone in the chat know anything about chairs? It's not a Herman Miller. Yeah, steel case, all this shit. I got a steel case. That is correct. Steel case. My first time going with the steel case Amiya. It just looks like a normal chair with a good ass cushion, and that's what it is. I got a steel case Amiya. Feels good. Yeah, so I'm getting everyone some steel case chairs. Yeah, gaming chairs are just you know, it's become fickle. They've gone down, I would say, overall. And you know, it's different chairs for different people. You know, I had to get a chair that I thought would be good for everyone. But after I spent hours researching, came up with the steel case Amiya. AMIA, A-M-I-A. They use steel case on Sports Center. How do you know? How did you know that? It's crazy how much people know about things. Like I never, I knew Herman Miller, obviously, like in the corporate world. Sure, everyone knows Herman Miller. Never heard of steel case till months ago. It's $1,000 chair, so Yeah. We already went over the charts, man. Not much else to go over here. I mean, we're again looking at the weekly. We got a little VWAP crossage, got a little momentum crossage, got a little dual band strength index flipping. 14 on standard candles to the -3 on the bear. Ike and Ashley's 11 to the -1. Think we can get at least one more candle. 17.8 or better, but probably, hopefully 17.8 sometime next week. And then after that, I think it's back to the hose again. We're gonna get hosed. I have a Secret Lab Omega as well. The Secret Lab Omega is what that's what I've been sitting in for. That's the last chair before the steel case. Folks, if you're just joining us, in 10 hours and 49 minutes, we are going to be joined by Justin Sun, creator of Tron, live for a good old crypto face picnic. What we're going to discuss, questions that are going to be asked. Nobody knows.
Trust. Program.
But I'll tell you one thing. Don't care what anyone thinks about anything or anyone. When you have the opportunity, in my opinion, whenever I have the opportunity to speak with or have some time with someone who is, high level, and there's various degrees, high level shit, you want to try to, learn. And there's a lot of different ways. So it doesn't just mean ask him the questions. What's 2 + 2? Just kind of analyze, maybe figure out how they were raised or what they think, what their processes are and shit. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna, I believe my brother's gonna be with me as well, so he's gonna be there, and we got a little something lined up. We'll see how it goes. Looking forward to it. To me, Tron is the closest thing. It is way closer than Bitcoin as far as a currency. A currency. Look at the data. Look at just look at the charts. Not even talking about the TRC20. However, it's what everyone uses. Look at the data. Okay, we're pull up the 2-day. This is April 21, and if you even just go to Bitcoin, April 21, I mean, whammy. When you go to Tron, it's just it's bounced off the same bottom. That's because it's used. It's actually used. The TRC20 is what cryptocurrency was supposed to be, what Bitcoin was supposed to be, which is sending money, not all this shit of building on blockchain technology in business and what decentralizing your dog food company. That's my opinion. Anything else, whatever. Dash, man, how's Dash doing? Are those guys still around? Looks a lot more like Bitcoin than Tron. I tell you, Tron looks the way it does because it is what is used. Everyone uses TRC20, not ERC20, not Bitcoin, not Litecoin, not Dogecoin. They used USDT TRC20, the Tron Tether. That is why the Tron chart looks the way it does. It is the most stable. Bitcoin was never supposed to be a steel factory. It wasn't supposed to be, so we're spoiled. An asset of, again, now I'm having a brain fart. Bitcoin is a store of value. That is the biggest crock of shit ever. If that's what the reason people are owning Bitcoin, hodling Bitcoin, they are fucked. I'm telling you, when I say Bitcoin 64K top forever, man, I really meant it. And listen, I hope I'm wrong. I'm probably going to be, hopefully I'm wrong. Maybe people are going to be dumb enough in 5 years to pump that price up way higher than it, because it's slow. It's not going to be no world reserve currency. It costs too much. It's too damn slow. It's actually it's compared to others and what can be created, will be created. It just, man. Tough conversation. Hungry dinner. Other than that, that's about it, folks. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so depending on, if you're in a trade, depending on what you're looking for, Are you playing the weekly time frame? Are you playing that, looking for, you know, a high the high point next week? You know, or is it your account where you're skimming, where you're dancing? So depending on what it is, you know, that's what it is. The Black Friday sale, bro, was like a week long, man. What are you talking about? What did the pencil neck say when he lost his eraser? Where did my point go? That's funny, bro. Thank you for your donation. All goes to charity. Yeah, I'm telling you. Listen, people hate on Tron. People hate on all the Asians. CZ. To be honest, you guys, they're racist. You guys hate on just because they're Asian, man. You don't trust them. That's what it comes down to. You know, even if you're hating on, people hate on Elon. If you, that blows me away. How can you hate on Elon? Dude, I was in this, I jumped in this little Twitter Spaces the other day for like a minute, and I heard this girl like, wasn't Elon supposed to like give all of us free internet? Like, is this how he runs Tesla, like Twitter? And I couldn't believe my ears, man. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. Couldn't believe what I was hearing. Yeah, the haterade, man. I just want to be like, young lady, could you imagine? I don't even, it's like common sense, so common sense, it irks me to even have to say it, to even explain it. Hey, get off my lawn. That's so true. Oh, I'm sorry. This guy just got this company. They had 20,000 employees. They had 50 now because they're all fucking. Oh, God forbid Spaces is down. Is this how he runs Tesla? Dude has a successful in the automobile business, for one of the most cutthroat business. How could this girl? I couldn't believe what this girl was saying. Making my ears bleed. She clearly has never been to a steel factory. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I would have said, young lady, you've never been to a steel factory in your life. Oh man, that was a good one. That was a good one. Tesla doesn't make money from cars. None of them do. Mercedes, 33% of their income. You know what's from? Currency trading. Dealerships make money on the repairs, not selling the new cars. Monetization, lending. 1/3 of Mercedes-Benz income comes from currency trading. Yeah, obviously batteries. Yeah, I mean, obviously with Tesla batteries. Yeah, that could have. Yeah, that makes sense. Do you know McDonald's makes most of their money on real estate? I think I do. Isn't that what the original McDonald's guy did? From the two McDonald's guys that were bossing him around, then he bought him out and bought the land or some shit. You think McDonald's makes all their money selling cheeseburgers? Boy, I'll tell you. Cattle futures for McDonald's. Justin Sun gonna be live with your boy one-on-one. Hopefully plus Flop and Grover, my brother. I imagine he'll be there too. It'll just be us three. Just a couple of guys. Him and me. And you and we. Oh yeah, we're gonna be debating. You're not gonna want to miss it. Me and Justin's son go back. We have big beef. It's gonna be a big drama show. Big drama show between me and Justin's son. We go back. Just kidding. No, it's not gonna be a debate. Tomorrow is Friday. Shit, isn't it? Damn, man. Has the week's been going by fast? Is it me or has time gone by fast? To be honest, I'm kind of tired of hearing about the FTX thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing new. I mean, we all know what happened. It's done. It's done. You know what pisses me off too is like they were new into the space. They weren't OGs. Like, they don't deserve the attention they're getting because, I I know they had like all the mainstream media people in the pocket. They didn't have your boy CF in old pocket. They didn't have my ass in pocket. I sure as fuck didn't trade on that shit. Oh, that was just new money, not old money. If we really wanted to see pain, it would have to be Tether going down. That would really really fuck things up. It would be like the show's over. Like the show's over. It would be done, dude. It would be done. There are a legit chance USDT going down. There's always a chance of everything going down. I mean, what it comes down to is if something sparks a run on Tether and everyone sells their Tether and they can't keep up with the buying. You get what I'm saying? Man, go on YouTube. That's what I did. I went on YouTube and like watched 15 different chair YouTubers. And I mean, I really dove into chairs. There sure was, Ozzy. I used to play a lot of Boris, bro, but it started getting my channel pinched. I think a chair YouTuber. I'm telling you, bro. I tell everyone. That's like, oh, what should I do? Oh, how do I get rich? Oh, what should I do? I say, make a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what you do. The pool guy told him to make a YouTube channel. Lacrosse coach, I told him to make a YouTube channel. Bums, I really tell them to make a YouTube channel because they have the highest chance for success. I tell them, I'm like, you are sitting on a gold mine. You understand me? Guy who's asking me for money at the gas pump? Start a fucking YouTube channel. How long have I been in this trade? Not long. Uh, 11 hours? Damn, time flies. Time flies. Yeah, I got in it today. I guess that's right. Shit. Yeah, it's been that long. Crazy. Crazy. What happened this weekend, this last weekend? The price went up over the weekend, right? It hit, God, man, I can't believe this week went by so fast. I feel like I just exited half of that trade like 2 days ago, but it was on Sunday. I had to close the rest of it out a couple days ago. And there was nothing, and then it got in this. That's it. Alrighty, folks. I need to go get something to eat. I'm starving, and I did a debate show before this. Wanted to stream a little bit after. Anyways, man, I hope you all show up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in like 10.5 hours here. Until then, y'all have a good rest of your night. See you soon. Peace.